Alright, welcome back to the Skip 5 Flood Escape channel. We are here just chilling. We don't really got too much work to do today. We're just gonna be doing some quick little wins. You feel me? Oh my god. Okay. Kill me. Did people actually get teleported though? Oh shoot, people did get teleported. It was just me and another dude that didn't. Okay, well that's an amazing start. It looks like medium is on stage 1, hard is on stage 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into hard. And we're gonna choose the maps, tightrope, box array, and rundown sector. Mostly because those are the easiest maps for people who don't know all the shortcuts. Those are just the ones that are easily sight readable. For example, I knew how to do tightrope training before I knew how to do overlook. It's just like some sort of sight readable. Is that really the word though? It's like yeah, I think it's that for that. Alright guys, well, I'm a little bit down right now, but we're just gonna be playing some Roblox. Yeah. Gonna say hi in the chat. Hi. And let's see if anybody responds or if we're playing with all bots. Man, I know I'm not doing the best shortcuts, but I'm just doing the ones that are easiest for me. I'm not gonna clip though, cause it's like, you know, people said I should play without glitches. So you feel me? We playing without glitches. You dig? Yeah. But I need to get back on that flood escape grind. More so the flood escape YouTube grind. 'Cause, yeah, I could have already been at the end if I chose to do glitches. That's how you do this for real. Somebody's gonna hit that button. There we go. There we go. Did I just die? Oh yeah, there we go. Hey, this actually isn't too hard, right? Because you can make this jump. I could have sworn you could have made that jump. Maybe I'm just being trash right now, but you feel me? I'm actually pretty sure you could make that jump, but I'm just not gonna risk it. Cause I'm just not gonna risk it. It's just not worth it. Slash E left. Bruh, okay, that's just messed up. But yeah. Do I seriously not have a freaking auto clicker on? So yeah, as you can see, we're playing with all bots again. Yeah. But real quick, let's just look at the leaderboard while we're in here. It's 7, it's Vukte, and then it's Andy Tran, which I think Andy Tran's been grinding hecka recently. I don't know, maybe he had another surge of energy to go ahead and grind. But I'm not really too sure about all that. So go. That was kind of a clean clip, low-key. Oh shoot, I fell off. Also, I know that wasn't the most fast route, but I just did it anyway. Cause like, I don't want to be risky. You feel me? No coil. Hey man, my speedrunning talent's coming back to life, sort of, when I used to be doing these speedrun type things. You know what, since I'm doing a speedrun, I'ma just quickly see that jump is possible. I'm just trash. I'm trash. Okay, I've accepted it at this point. Yeah. I know it's possible. Am I really gonna waste all my time trying it? No. No. Okay, yeah, we need to get out of here. My hands are a little bit cold right now. However, yeah, we could go ahead and laugh clip now. There we go. It's not too hard to pull off a laugh clip, so I don't really consider that a glitch. More so as it is like a life hack. Way easier to do clipping. And it looks like we're going on easy this time. And we can also choose the maps, hopefully. I want to do my favorite maps, which is not the ones that are the easiest, which is Boxtrot, Beams, and Cooling Mess Up. Not so because they are the easiest, but more so because they are just the ones that I like the most. Also, if I miss something, just tell me. Alright, they got it. Alright, there we go. Oh shoot. I forgot, no coil. Hold up. Okay. Okay. Oh dang, it's not working. Hold on. Oh my gosh, okay, well, screw it. Coil. I'm not gonna do coil on Cooling Mess Up though, because I'm just gonna see. If my skills have gotten any better. There we go. That dude just went AFK. Maybe his phone turned off or something. So yeah, apparently we're just watching Zoiv's. Oh my gosh, it's so funny when people can't make this jump. It's the funniest thing. It's funny because you're doing it from the wrong angle. You're supposed to climb. There we go. We can go ahead and go into hard again. Oh, actually, it was perfectly timed. Let's just choose the easiest maps for me to do without, those are the easiest maps. I'm stupid, but I'm used to just doing the other ones because that's what I'm used to. Oh, shoot. Okay. I missed a jump. It's not the cleanest, but I'll take it. There we go. There we go. Okay, yeah. I should have gotten that jump first try. It's literally the easiest types of jumps in the run. It's to do the little height boost thing with the vent. Hopefully they don't patch that, or else like all of my shortcuts are gone. And also I just died, which I'm gonna kill myself for it, but it is what it is. We're gonna go ahead and do one more run with the right maps this time. Maybe with the wrong maps. That was like throwing me off or something. Alright. There we go. Just getting these jumps in. Oh shoot. No, we're not using any coil, right? Bro, how did I not make that? That's literally an easy jump. There we go. There we go. Gotta go ahead and get these jumps in. Oh my god. I hate when I fall down. It's like literally the worst thing that could happen to me. For real. I'm sorry, but we have to do this signature skip 5 laugh clip. No, I'm joking. I'm not trying to claim the entirety of the laugh clip because I know there's a couple of good players that play with laugh clip. I've seen like probably a couple in the top 5 play with laugh clip before. Not really a lot of people do though. I'm one of the only like, well, I wouldn't say I'm a major flood escape player, but I am though because of what I did in December to February. If you know, you know. So I am kind of a part of the major flood escape people. But yeah, we're just going to choose some trash maps and then we're going to end off the video here. If you guys did enjoy, then make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications to be notified every single time I post a video. And if you're new to the channel, maybe consider to like and subscribe if you haven't. Then also, if you want to see some videos, you want to see me make some videos, to make sure to comment them down below. And let's just get speed glitch one time just for the lulz. I wonder what time I got there. If somebody wants to go time that, you can. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.